Imagine standing in the middle of a burning desert. The sand is hot enough to cook an egg, the horizon is nothing but dunes and silence. Then suddenly, something tiny and strange pops its head out of the sand. It looks like a cross between a lizard and a toad, but with the attitude of a dragon. Meet the toad-headed Agama, the desert's weird little warrior. Welcome back to Animals Done. I'm Orin, and today we're diving into a creature most people have never heard of, but once you see it, you'll never forget it. With me is our animal expert, Sage Arlen. Sage, ready for some desert action?
Absolutely, Orin. Today's animal might be small, but trust me, this thing has survival secrets that will make a lion jealous.
All right, Sage. First question. What is a toad-headed Agama?
So, toad-headed agamas are small desert lizards found across Central and Western Asia, places like Afghanistan, Iran, Kazakhstan, Mongolia, and Western China. Their scientific group is called Phrynocephalus, which literally means toadhead.
I get the name. They really do look like someone squished a tiny dragon and a frog together.
They do. And that head shape isn't just for looks. It gives them a wide mouth for quick, lightning-fast strikes at insects. They're like miniature ambush predators, tiny desert assassins.
Deserts are brutal. Hot days, freezing nights. How does something so small survive that?
They've got a toolkit built by evolution. First, burrowing. They dig incredible tunnels in the sand. In some species, burrows can go 80 centimeters deep.
That's almost as long as the animal's whole body times 6. For something that small, that's impressive.
Exactly. Those burrows protect them from extreme heat, cold, and predators. And here's the cool part. They don't always run into the burrow.
Oh, what do?
They sometimes dive headfirst into the sand like it's water, gone in 1 second. Poof. Desert magic trick.
That's like a tiny reptile ninja smoke bomb.
It really is. Their scales are shaped so sand slides right around them like armor, designed for swimming in sand.
Okay, here's the thing that blew my mind. I heard some of these lizards can collect water from their bodies.
Yes. In some species, when rain or dew falls, they position themselves so water runs along their skin channels straight to their mouth. It's like a built-in rain funnel system.
Nature said, no water in the desert, no problem, lizard. Here's plumbing.
Pretty much. It's one of the most genius adaptations in reptiles.
What do these little warriors eat?
Insects, spiders, tiny invertebrates, they're hunters. They wait motionless, blend with the sand, then explode into action. They're fast, really fast.
So, tiny desert velociraptors with sand camouflage?
Perfect description.
Okay, Sage, I need you to explain the mouth flaps thing, because the first time I saw a picture, I thought someone photoshopped it.
Oh yes, the famous cheek flaps. One species, Phrynocephalus mysticeus, has skin flaps on the sides of its mouth, normally hidden, but when threatened, boom, they pop open like a lizard supervillain mask.
It's like, you thought I was cute, behold my demon form.
Exactly. The flaps reveal bold colors inside the mouth to scare predators. Combine that with a wide stance and tail display, it looks huge and fierce.
A pocket-sized Godzilla moment.
Yes, and the tail. They curl it high like a warning banner. It's like they're saying, back up, I may be tiny, but I have confidence.
How do they reproduce?
Most lay eggs, usually in burrows, but this is the surprise. Some species give birth to live young. It's rare in lizards and a brilliant adaptation for cold deserts and high-altitude regions.
So they can be both egg layers and live bearers depending on species?
Exactly. And babies grow near the home burrow until they're strong enough to survive the harsh outside world. Juveniles are like tiny sand beans with attitude.
Let's talk speed. These things move like they drink 20 cups of espresso.
They have special fringed toes, like tiny combs. Those give them traction on loose sand. Think of them as little desert snowshoes.
So while other animals sink, these guys surf the dunes.
Beautifully said. They're also masters of stillness. They can freeze so perfectly, you wouldn't see them unless they blink.
Living statues in the sand. Some people look at tiny reptiles and think they're not important, but they play a role, right?
Huge role. They control insect populations, provide food for larger predators, and are indicators of desert ecosystem health. When toad-headed agamas disappear, it means something is wrong with the environment.
So they're like little environmental alarms, guardians of the desert ecosystem.
Exactly, and deserts need respect. Life there is fragile and incredibly specialized.
What threatens them?
Habitat destruction, off-road vehicles, mining, climate change, even the illegal collecting sometimes. They may be small, but losing them would be a huge blow to desert biodiversity.
It always amazes me. The creatures working hardest to survive are often the ones humans threaten most.
True. The toad-headed agama is a reminder. Tiny life can have huge value.
Well, that was wild. A tiny desert warrior with sand-swimming armor, water-funneling skin, ninja burrows, demon mask defense mode, and the confidence of a lion.
Yep, never underestimate small creatures. They often have the coolest tricks.
Sage, as always, thank you. And to our listeners, remember, nature hides its greatest wonders in the most unexpected places. Stay curious, stay amazed, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you love discovering the planet's strangest animals. This is Orin signing off from Animals Done. See you in the next adventure. And until then, respect the desert, because even the tiniest warrior can surprise you.